Future League. Rams. Round 3. Here we go. And my videographer is in the building.
Now let's go to your right, John.
Here we go. Oh, Mr. Everything with the rock. Oh, Kyrie Irving. Jumper. No good. Ow. Grown man. Ow. Grown man. Can't finish. Stay here. This is what we came to see. Back over my man Scott. Scott to Mr. Everything. Can't finish. Scott, take a walk. Here we go. Shooter, my man Howard, the rebound. Over to Kyrie Irving. Kyrie Irving. Over to the young fella. Can't finish. Howard on the help out.
Don't jump.
Looks
3
around.
seconds.
What? Man among boys.
Matthew, don't jump. You're not going to block his shot. Don't jump.
Here we go. Slow motion. Oh, my man jump up, in and out to the rack. No. Down on the rebound. Here we go. Over to the young fella. Young fella. Outside the Scott. Scott. Don't fall down. Carry it. Outside the Mr. Everything. No good. Out on the help out. Jesus. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, this is slow motion. We'll give a foul to the young fella.
Now you're not on.
Here we go. Slow motion. Slow motion. Oh, wait a minute. Over to my man Matthew. Matthew thought about it 3 times. No good. Of course. Foul with the rebound. Over my man Kyrie Irving. Kyrie Irving. Outstanding. No good. Young fella with the help out. Take a walk. Here we go. Jump into slow motion. AKA, I missed it.
Roll back. Good move. Good hold.
Scouts being told me watch the camera. Our ball. Here we go. Kyrie Irving to the right. Over to my man, young fella. And we got a 3-man rotation. We got 1 man from the bleachers and 2 on the floor. Don't miss no calls. Here we go. Slow motion, hit the ball. Over my man Matthew. Matthew, who wants it? Down low. John. Shooter. No good. Help out. Mr. Everything. Mr. Everything. To the rack. Can't finish. Wants it back. Yes, sir. Get it out of here, my John. Here we go. Scout. Stabilize it. Scout. Over the house. Looks around, thought about it, to the rack, loses it. Jump, help out. Come on. Back, he looks around, in and out. Back outside. Sky looks around, out to slow motion. Slow motion, to the rack, out. Matthew 3 times, no good. Out. Mr. Everything. Yes, sir.
Christian, get open. Let's go. Get open.
6-3 is the score.
Gotta keep it a million. Ain't no, don't know everybody.
Grab that.
No good.
Gotta keep it a million. Ain't no,
Kyrie Irving.
Ralphie, you shoot, Ralphie. Shoot check, Ralph.
Oh my God. Jesus Christ.
Ralphie.
And ladies and gentlemen, the glue is in the building. Put him on somebody, they get nothing. Here we go. Slow motion. Slow motion. Throw it out.
don't let him get the ball. Don't let him shoot.
Throw it out.
Give him the
Yeah, outside. Jump. Over. Jump. 10 minutes. 8-3 is the score. 10 minutes. Who wants it? Here we go. John. Oh, yeah! Here we go. John, help us. Who wants it?
There you go, boy.
These 2 points. Diving kids.
Get open.
Here we go. Matthew with the ball. Oh, to my man John. John, what's up? There's now. Crossover. Sky. Oh my God. Throw it down. Outside to Matthew. Crossover. Step back. James. Oh my God. Hit it to James Harden. Jesus. Here we go. To my man Kyrie Irving. Out to Mr. Everything. Loses it to Matthew.
Get back, get
Here
back.
we go. 9 minutes. Here we go. Matthew. Down low. Stolen. Back to Matthew. Looks around. To the right. Back outside. Young fella. Got it. And we're not playing the world today.
Chiefs, play your game. Come on.
8:40 left in the first half.
Aaron, no.
Still anyone's game. Glue. Over. Back to the glue. Glue. Hot through butter. Glue. Outside. Mr. Everything. No good. Ow. Jesus Christ.
Mom.
Miss. Slow motion with it. Here we go. My man Matthew. This one. Here we go. Slow motion. Slow motion. Stolen. By Kyrie. Let's go.
No foul there. Thank you. Gotta walk the ball.
7 minutes left. First half. 10-3 is the score. Can't put it in the bucket. glue, over. Kyrie Irving, stolen, Kyrie, that's right. 12-3, 6 and change. Who wants it? Still a lot of time left. Here we go. Slow motion, slow drugs, slow drugs. Down low, now, stolen, out, over to the glue. Glue. Stand finish. Slowly gets his own help out. Here we go. Stabilize. Outside. Out. Kyrie Irving says, give it to me. I know what to do. It's a lot too little early. 6 minutes left. A lot of time. Slow motion. Oh, thanks God. Stay over to my man Matthew. Enough of this foolishness. You take it to the rack. Enough of this. Score that man. 15-5. Here we go. What are you doing? On that top throw behind his back. What was that? Pick up the dancing man. What was that? The glue, ladies and gentlemen. And pitch over the young fella. In and out. No good. Mr. Anthony. Kyrie. Pulls it up. Travel. Too late, already in. Here we go. Slow motion, methodical. Over to my man John, down low. My favorite sneakers. Over to my man, slow motion. Out to my man John, jump up. No good. On the helmet. Take a walk.
Come on, shake it off.
Come on, let's go. Play.
4 and change left. Lot of time. What was that? Over to the littlest man in the building. Stolen. Back to Kyrie. Over to my man. Oh my God. Help out.
Keep moving.
Here we go. Slow motion. To my man Matthew. No good. Littlest man in the building. Kyrie Irving, lefty, yes sir.
To the basket. No jump shot.
Defense.
Here we go, stay in the room. Here we go.
Tight. Come on.
Here we go. Who wants it? 4 minutes, first half. Here we go. Mr. Everything. Out to Kyrie Irving. Thinks about it. In and out.
There you go. Round, all the way.
To the rack. Oh, I'm going to hold you up. Mr. Everything with a help out. Oh, get the back, my man.
Boys, you gotta box out, all right?
And so it begins. 3.5 left. Who wants it? The littlest man alive. Over to my man Kyrie to the glue. I'll jump. Get him out of here. Here we go. Who wants it? Kyrie over. Littlest man alive. Left hand. One way. No good. Kyrie can't finish. Oh my God. The glue. No good. Man. Behind his back. Over to slow motion. Slow drugs. Amphetamine. Oh my God. No good. Who wants it? Kyrie loses it. Loses to Matt. Down low. Up. Jump up. Slow motion. Give that ball. Here we go. Kyrie Irving.
Go get him.
45. Out. Mr. Everything. No good. Brett with the help out. Oh, Mr. Young says nobody see it. Here we go. Slow motion to Scott. Scott, over to my man. It's the blue, ladies and gentlemen. The blue. Hit the blue.
No.
Keith, you got a box, man. You have to box. It's their ball. Help him out.
Here we go. Who wants it? Scott. with the ball. Down low to Al.
Let up height.
Go, get back. Go.
No.
Slow motion.
Get loose.
The break. Equality sneakers. Where are we going? Help out. Slow motion. In and out. Over my man Brent. Brent out to slow motion. Methodical. Sky.
Oh, no. Yes. Get it back, Al.
Face up. Down low. Scowl.
Good block. Good block.
Blocked by slow motion. Let me get that one in there. Here we go. The glue, ladies and gentlemen. Can't get it. Scout or glue. Who wants it? Travel.
Hey, Kalora, you need to box, all right? I don't see you boxing. Get him out. Use your body.
Jump. Here we go. Shoot up. Oh, to slow motion. Here we go.
Come on. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. Don't let him get in.
Whoa,
Keep on the
come
rope.
on.
Alex,
Go for the minute space.
Here we go.
Keep on him, dog. No. Good work.
Scout to the right.
Yeah. Ha. Woo. That's what I'm talking about.
Here we go. It's getting away. Wow, 3 times. Good work. It's going. It's going.
Turn up.
Here we go. Josh. Wow. 17 seconds left.
Come on, shake it off.
Mission move. Watch your man. Get that.
Stay here.
Yo, bonus. Yeah.
14 seconds.
That's close for someone.
What?
Here we go. Stop. Oh, my man, Matt. In and out. Short jumper. No good. Wow. Six seconds. No good on the help out. Young fella. Oh, how? 3
Come on, let's talk.
Bang. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
That head should get over the leg. Not get started. Go after the second shot.
Like straight,
Play your game. Game's not over, right? No, you got hard. Play it. Communicate. Set those screens, okay?
And here we go. Second half.
That's what you do. Good job.
Here we go. Second half. No, I'm not in the building, but yes, I'm back. Here we go. Second half. Here we go. Big jump. Track.
Stop arguing. Go to the
Get open.
Down,
Let's
but
go.
not out. A lot of time. Anything can happen. Kyrie Irving with the ball. Here we go. Over to my man. Over to Scott. Scout looks around. Down low. Ow. And can't finish. Missed everything but the help out. So Matthew takes it from him. Help. Oh, snap.
Christian's got a box. When you see him go down, then you get your man out, okay?
Here we go. Second half. My man, slow motion. Both downward. Can't see time. Who wants it? Oh, my man jump. Go down. In and out. Step back. Got it. No good. Ow, on the help out. Here we go. Ow. Over my man, Kyrie Irving. Over to Mr. Everything. Over the high. Looks around. Reverse. To my man. No way. Ow, man, finish. Ow, on the help out. Yes, sir. They both missing. Here we go. Slow motion. Over my man, John. The shooter.
Hands up, let's move it.
Matt looks around. Thanks, Matt to the right. And finish.
Get open.
Here we go. Kyrie over to Mr. Everything on the line. Oh, good. In the forward.
Good. Christian. Ball hit top. I want to see, but before it hits top, you get the guy out.
Win every 5 minutes. 2-0. Win
Clear
every
it.
5 minutes.
That's what we was looking for.
Hands up.
Yeah, looking crazy. Here we go.
Go to the ball.
Who wants it? John, over to Matt.
About time. Matthew, get the ball. Go to the ball.
And here we go. Slow motion. Scout on it. Here we go. Slow motion to the right. Oh, jump. Shooter. No good. To the other. Can't finish. Who wants it?
Don't reach. Go easy. Go easy.
Move up.
Good. There you go.
Into play.
Go.
Read the injury. Rich. Into play.
Yeah, go in the ball and see what happens. He don't know.
Yeah, it's the most second. The most second thing I've ever done in my life. What was the way it was? The most second thing I've ever What do they have? All they know is that it's just
Yes.
Go, hustle. Get under there.
Go.
Get up, man. Come on now.
No good.
Matthew, get away from the guy.
Kyrie.
Turn around, stay with him.
In and out. Who's there? Oh, Euro. Can't finish. I want to help out. Kyrie again.
We go shooter. Pull it out.
Good shoot, I'm sorry. Here we go.
Come on, Blue.
You gotta move a little bit.
Slow motion over to my man Mac. Mac. Over to the
Get open.
shooter. To slow motion.
Back to the guys running it. Pass
Here we
him.
go.
There you go.
Back to the rack. And finish. Out on the rebound. Out. My man getting the glue.
Pick up your dribble too early and then turn it over.
Here we go. Slow motion. Here we go.
Set it, man.
Johnny looks around to Mac. Mac.
Oh, hit
11
set.
minutes left. Not of time. Anything can happen. Slow motion. And finish. Slow motion on the helper. Here we go. Mac. Mac looks around. Mac out. Slow motion. Throw it out. Behind his back. Matthew can finish. Here we go. Outside. A.K.A. the glue. Crossover. Can't finish. Jumped up. Can't finish. Here we go. Over to my man Prince. Prince looks down. Here we go. My back. Down. To the right. Can't finish.
Put your hand up your mouth.
You gotta control the rock first.
You had your mouthpiece and it wouldn't hurt.
Here we go. 10 minutes left. Still some time left. Mac with the 3 ball. No good. Here we go. Now, another one. This is the only thing.
Come on. Yes.
Rev, watch 23, Rev. He's pushing.
Set it right. Come on.
Yeah, Rev. He just threw number 4 on the floor, 23. He keeps doing that. Watch 23. Exactly. You like chuck him to the floor. Intentional. For sure.
It's a two-hand push. Keith, wake up. Come on.
How is that not that we don't get the thing? Too many
You don't want to
plays.
wait anymore? Time is running a little bit.
Here we go. Right now. Here we go. Young fella with the help out. Slow motion.
If you're going to shoot the jump shot, go towards the basket, not lean back.
Switch.
Let's go rebounds now. Chiefs rebounds, go.
Makes it. Still a lot of time. Here we go. Area over my man. To Gav.
That's what I'm talking about.
Set your feet. On your wrists and bend your knees.
Slow motion.
Shoot.
Here you go. Still can't finish. Here we go. The blue. Oh my God, John. Big block. Here we go. Still not giving up. Here we go. left hand, no good. Scalp, lock, down. Mr. Everything, no good. Kyrie.
Get up, get up, get up.
Who wants it? Stays here.
Pull up Jay, Gab, pull up Jay.
Yeah. No good. It's his own rebound. Back outside. Only over. Jump ball. No good. Here we go. Big John with the rebound. Simple. Y'all gotta stop. There's not enough time now. Slow motion. My man Brent. Jump. No good. Yeah. Who wants it?
Good play, good play.
Back to the rack. Can't finish. One of those days. Mr. Everything to the rack.
Yep.
Here we go. Slow motion. Hit with the head and shoulder thing. Flips outside. Brent to the rack. Thought about it. Act outside. Slow motion. No good. Here we go. Mr. Everything. Oh my God. Should have passed. Here we go. No.
We're gonna win again.
Take the shot, Trev, take the shot.
Good, come on. Sweat it. Play your game. You enjoy it.
Get it back.
Come on, Matthew. Stay safe. Block ball. Stay safe. Okay?
Go all the way.
Down there.
Get on there.
You got scoop, boy, all right? Go, come on.
Ready to lose again.
All right, Eric. Let's see, Eric.
Yeah, come on.
No guy there. Take him in. Go ahead.
Look up! Matthew. Matthew, Take it off. You can't take it off. Tie your shoelace. Tie your lace. Christian, come on now. How you doing? You're doing good.
Good job.
Slow it down, right?
Slow, with John. Head fake back, slow with the ball. Dribble, action, no good.
Slow it down. Slow it down.
Over the Kyrie, over the man, over the loop. Slow, turnover.
So right down.
Back to back. Back to these sneakers. Back to back. 3-point ball to it. Sorry, rebound. 1 minute and 12 seconds to go. Over the Al holding it up.
Pass the ball.
Over the blue. Back to
Stop
Kyrie.
giving up.
Over the
Come on,
Al.
stop giving up.
Back to the glue.
Good.
The glue. Over
Be strong with the ball. Strong with the ball.
Kyrie to the glue. They're holding the ball. Holding.